Exposing the mystery in every waddle, I don't think people understand the true marvel of penguins. Meet the penguin, a creature of both land and sea, braving the harshest environments with an elegance that defies its waddling gait. From the emperor standing tall amidst the Antarctic blizzards to the tiny fairy penguins nestling on Australian shores, each species is a testament to nature's adaptability. Their social bonds are profound, lifelong partnerships tenderly nurturing their young and coordinated group hunts to sustain the colony. Yet beneath their endearing exterior lies a story of survival. As climate change reshapes their habitats, these resilient birds remind us of nature's delicate balance. In every waddle, every dive, penguins embody a silent resilience. They are not just birds, they are the heartbeats of the frozen world. Discover their secret, and you discover the very essence of nature itself.